Hello, gentlemen. It's been a long time. I fixed my audio issues and my video issues previously, and I thought maybe I'd come play some CSGO with you guys, read your comments, and take your comments. If you have any questions, it's been a while since you probably heard this voice, huh? I don't know if you guys know, I pretty much took a 2-year hiatus from gaming, and I'm back playing a lot of CSGO again because I never really gave the game a serious chance. I think in 2012, 2013 when I first got it, I had just so much shit going on and I just wasn't into Counter-Strike. And I want to make sure I get the full experience before that game starts to die. I don't really think it's going to die, even though I made that poll on this page not that long ago. And you guys seem to think it was. Now give me a second here. I'm going to pull up your comments on my phone. How's everybody doing tonight? It's just Xanatos here drinking some Call of Duty Halo 21-year-old gamer's beverage of choice. I'm having some vodka and some Mountain Dew. What are you guys doing? I'm about to play a little CSGO. We're going to play some CSGO. For some reason, I'm looking at the Dennis Rodman Twitter. I'm trying to find that picture of Kim Jong where the Mog cat. Where was that? Where's that shit? That's the greatest tweet ever. By Dennis Rodman. I don't know if any of you guys are basketball fans. But he's just like this kind of token black guy who thought it was really cool that he could hang out with a dictator of North Korea, you know? Because they're best friends or whatever. Let's see your comments. Let's get some comments. What's up, Rob? Rob, it's been a long time since I've seen you, since you liked that post on my personal page today, man. It's good to see you, man. Everybody bring your questions, bring your comments. I got my phone up. I can read them. So if you want to say hi, if you want to do anything, we're going to play a little CSGO. You can watch me. You can talk shit. You can do whatever you want. So let's go. It's funny how many people complain about Dust 2 or whatever, when I just think that they're very burned out from the map or the game or both. But it's still my favorite map. Like I say, if I ever think I'm burned out from Dust 2, you just got to take like 3 days off of the game, come back, and it's like the map is fresh again. I'd never get tired of that map. I don't get the people who say they're tired of this map, but they've only been playing the game for 3 years. I've been playing this game for over 10. I'm not tired of it. It's the best map. I mean, you can't argue with the best map. Like, you know, you Halo kids, if people talk shit about the best map, you'd think they're idiots. You know, that's what I think about the people who just think Dust 2 is bland. You know, because I read an article about how I guess all the pro teams just run the same strats over and over and over. And I can understand that part of it, I guess. What should we play? Because, you know, Dust 2 strats in the 1.6 days, like, people were doing some pretty crazy shit that nobody had seen before. And I assume that the CSGO teams are just using them as like a guidebook. Like the old school clans. Like, we're talking like when I started playing in January 2004. That's when like some of the first Cal tournaments and shit came out. Or whenever they're having their big Cal League tournaments, you know, for the big prize money and all the big sponsors. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if the teams today are copying all the same strats, even though obviously you got a few little different changes in the map and whatnot. Somebody give me some questions. Come on, you got Xanatos here, the meme master, and he wants to take your questions. Anybody got any questions? I don't know. Obviously, you haven't heard me in fucking years, so you don't have any questions. Let's play. Let's play, boy. Having a little drink while I play. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. I like Train. This is probably my second favorite map. Did the stream freeze? It looks like my stream froze. Oh, no, it didn't. I think it's just because it's loading. Can you guys hear me okay? Somebody comment like, yeah, my volume is too loud or my volume's too quiet. What can you hear? Can you hear anything? Obviously, Rob can, so I'm not too worried about that. Rob, what have you been playing lately? I haven't seen you on in months, man. I haven't seen you on this page in months, and you're back today. I'm blessed. I'm blessed with the presence of Rob. Alright, what's going on here? Alright, T-side first, because this is a T-sided map. So I'm down with that. Hey! What are you doing? Your mic doesn't work, Bumblebee. Now it does. Now it does, so that's really depressing. Yeah, I guess this is a really T-sided map for some reason, because you can pretty much delay rush from whatever site you want. I don't know. It's a good map, though. I like this shit. They obviously never had this in the 1.6 or source versions. I think that's cool. All the Russian shit. Sukabrot. Sukabrot, Rush B. I don't want you to hear the game because usually my audio screws up. And these people usually get mad at me because I tell them what to do. So I don't want you to hear that either. Warm-up is like the stupidest shit ever. I fucking hate it. I wish you would just go straight to the match. Fuck the warm-up. Just go straight to the match. Alright, let's do this. I'll let you know what's happening in the game because I'm Turd Schnoogle. I should do a B rush or long rush. Let's do long. That's not long, Green. That's not long. Oh, never mind. Let's go B. Let's go B. See what I mean about CSGO Silver players being fucking retarded? You don't even know what, like, the... Don't add me to my friends list. I'm trying to play. Yo, can you plant the bomb? It's over here. See what I mean about CSGO Silver players being retarded? Oh my god. I had no idea where that guy was. But we won. I'm the meme master, so it doesn't matter if I die. Let's just go long. Let's go... You can have one go short. A. You got a guy who don't speak English? That's cool. I love you. You speak... How many languages do you speak? Let's push it. Push it. Push. Push. For that. Man, these guys are really bad. I don't even have to do shit. Didn't even have to see anybody that time. Give me your questions. Type something in comments so I have something to do in between rounds. I want to talk to you guys. I haven't even been on this shit. I haven't, like, had my mic hooked up in, like, 2 years, man. So you should talk to me. Let's just do B. Let's just do B. These guys suck. A good team would know how to hold B. So let's see if they're a good team. There's some lag, shit. Planting. Watch the back. Man, I literally don't even have to kill these guys. See what I mean about CS Silver being like the worst shit ever? But this is a situation where you actually obviously prefer it. There's one. One upper. One upper. One on site. It's on the train. He's not there. It's all good. What's up, Cole? Cole's like my best fan. He's like my #1 fan. Rob, I'm doing a lot of freelance shit because all I can get are part-time gigs. Like, nobody wants to pay me full-time, so I'm stuck doing part-time and freelance gigs. It sucks. I hate it. I would change. I would redo it all if I could. I would have not gone to school for what I went to school for. I would have tried to learn the business. When I went to school, like, they didn't teach you anything about how to do the business side of shit. And normally people just want to screw you. So I really, if I could get a full-time job anywhere, doesn't matter what, I would fucking take it. Because I'm sick of doing the part-time plus freelance gig. Because with the part-time, I never get the fucking hours I want. One down. Yeah, with part-time gigs, like especially the video shit, you'll never get the hours you want. Never. It's impossible. Man, this is so easy. Oh, they lost the guy, so this is gonna be over before it starts. I went to school for video, Cole. You know that. Come on, I thought you'd been my fan forever, man. But yeah, you know, like, Rob, I feel like I am the most excited and pumped about my work when it's like new territory for me. You know, like when I started working at that university job and doing all the sports, like that was relatively new territory for me because I was like the one guy doing it. And if I want to take like a full-time job, I would prefer it be like with video shit. I would prefer it be, oh god, I prefer it be something I haven't done before because that way it's kind of like new and exciting, you know what I mean? And not boring. Oh my god, I fucking missed that guy, but I hit him up. There was one right, but I lit him up. One right. One maybe behind. Let's do this. Oh god! What are you shooting at me for? My teammate's shooting at me and I stopped planting the bomb. My teammate's shooting at the teammate planting the bomb. I'm not sure what was going on there. It's the guy who can't speak English, I think. So something's... But hey, you know what they say? Even a broken clock is right twice a day. But yeah, no, Rob, like, I've only worked like one wedding, and I've done some freelance shit, but half the people are nightmares to work with, and the other half of the people are like angels to work with in like the freelance world. So you're rolling the dice 50-50 pretty much every time you agree to something. How's everybody doing? I'd like to see more comments. Let me know who's watching. Say hi. I haven't seen any of you guys in so long. There's a scout or something. Walk, walk, walk. Are you... Walk and don't shoot me anymore. There's one over here. Come on. Come with me to B. Come with me to B. Come with me to B. B. One just rotated. He's at the connector. Yeah! 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 Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. 6-0. What up? Oh, do you know me? Oh, wait, no. Yeah, hi, what's up? Michigan. You? Somebody in this game said I sound like Swagger Souls. Does anybody in chat know who Swagger Souls is? He doesn't know I'm Xanatos, but he knows somebody named Swagger Souls. There's a guy on the left. I'll rotate with you. I'll rotate with. Yeah, we can. Might as well. We're ahead by 6. Oh, they got their guy back. I see. Oh. No, I fucked that up. I just pulled my knife out. Watch this shit. Oh my god, that's bad. Oh my god, look at that. I just watched it on my phone. And I don't know what the hell I'm doing. How's everybody doing? Who else is here? Say hi. Hello, Mariano. I don't recognize your name. I normally creep on my page enough so I know who like everybody's name is. Mariano Sanchez, you seem like a new friend or a new fan. And I want to say hello to you. Yeah, 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 let's go B. I got bomb again and I won't fuck up this time. I had my knife out for some reason. And then I got shot. I'll watch ladder because I got bomb. Fuck it. I'll come up with you guys. Somebody behind us? There is one B site. Maybe I'll go ladder. Oh, that guy got fucked so hard, it's not even funny. Leave a comment if you just saw that guy get fucked. Anybody see that guy get fucked? Man. Oh, they abandoned this time. He abandoned. He abandoned. We should be good. I'm gonna try and save this gun, so I'm probably not gonna peek. Yeah, fuck that. He ain't coming here. Hold on, I gotta take a piss, guys. Wait, where's the urinal? The urinals are gone! I love feminism. I'm a feminist. I'm a more hardcore feminist than you, Bumblebee. Well, I only like fat females that are feminists. They mollied it. I don't know. I'll look for a flank and come back. They only got 4, so. Hold on a sec, guys. I had to take a drink. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm coming ace now. Sorry. Fuck, that guy was pretty good. Well played, Lily Katori. The hell kind of name is that? It's not as cool of a name as Xanatos Meme Master, I'll tell you that much. Nice try. He's right there. Left, right. The hell kind of shooting with... Oh, well, whatever. Yeah, you totally messed that spray pattern up, but I love you. We don't have any money. I don't know how we're gonna win this. Just kidding. We should keep going short and try to pick this bot. Two here. You got fucked, boy. Oh, that guy's name is Hentai. He should be banned just for having that name. Get fucked. Get fucked. Yeah, I'm gonna report this guy because he's clearly griefing with that name. Reported. Reported for hentai. This guy is singing about... I can't even tell you what he's singing. The reason I have my game sound muted is because this guy is singing a very inappropriate song right now. So that's why I have my game sound muted. This guy on mic, who's yellow, he just said something extremely inappropriate that would have not been fitting for this live stream. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at, though? Where they at, though? Fucking idiot. He had an op, so that's... I did not know where that guy was. Thank you. Let me get that op. Oh, fuck. Hell yeah. Anybody want this? Too bad. I want it. Too bad. I want it. It's the CT up, but yeah, sure. Wow, very pretty skin. Let's go. Let's do another A thing. Or B, because we got ops. B, because we got ops. We can't stay in one place. Come on, go. Planting on the train. Left. Beautiful. 2 nades. That was beautiful. Oh! Right side. Right side. I want this op, so run. This is going to be a quick second half. Look at that. All of our... Look at that. Everybody on our team has 2 MVPs. We are a team. Hey Cole, what you been playing lately? Rob, what you been playing lately? What's up? I'm very proud of you. It's green. It's very green. Fuck, one right. Middle. Is he on the train? Is he on the train car? Holy fuck, let's get out of here. Get out of here.